Hello everyone, welcome to all of you in my English channel, and today I brought for class 10 the Fog poem. So let's start. First of all, we will know about the poet Carl August Sandburg, who is the poet of this poem, and he was born on 1878 and died on 1967. He was an American poet, writer, and editor. He won 3 Pulitzer Prizes, 2 for his poetry and 1 for his biography of Abraham Lincoln. He wrote poems like Grass, Analysis, Chicago, etc. Now we will say the poem. Introduction. Fog is a very small poem written by Carl Sandburg. He has described the process of arrival of the fog into a city and the harbor. He has very beautifully compared it to a cat. The poet says that the fog, which is generally seen during the winter season, is coming towards the city and the harbor just like a cat. This means that it is approaching the city in a very silent manner, so that no one can notice its arrival. He has compared its arrival to that of a cat because a cat always enters a place silently. Next, he says that the fog has covered the whole of the city and harbor, and it appears as if it is sitting by holding its leg and looking around just the way a cat does when it sits on the haunches and looks around. At the end, he describes the departure of the fog, which very silently and unpredictably, again similar to the departure of the cat, vanishes. Now we will see the line by line explanation. Here the lines and one stanza is only here. The fog comes on little cat feet. It sits looking over harbor and city on silent haunches and then moves on. Fog is here thick cloud of tiny water droplets, and harbor is a port and haunches sitting with knees bent. So here poet is describing that the fog is behaving like a cat who came or who comes tiptoely or silently without any sound like a cat and sits on its hind legs so that it can move around and it can see all the things silently without any noise, and then moves again silently just like a cat who comes tiptoely and goes or vanishes without any noise or without any sound. So this was the only poem, and now we will see the literary devices. Metaphor poet uses here. Fog is compared to a little cat feet, and the rhyming scheme is no rhyming scheme. It is written in free verse. Enjambment, when a sentence continues to next line looking then moves on, it personifies. Fog has been personified. Fog comes, it sits. So it is just like a human being. So this was the poem. I hope you liked it, and keep watching and like and share my videos. If you have any query, comment on my comment box.